Close some doors today, not because of pride, incapacity, or arrogance, but simply because they lead you nowhere. Worry about your character, not your reputation. Your character is who you are. Your reputation is who people think you are. No matter what good you do to people, they will only remember your mistakes. If you never heal from who hurt you, you will bleed on people who did not cut you. Life is such a great teacher that when you don't learn a lesson, it will repeat it. Loneliness is the most terrible form of poverty. If you want to change the world, go home and love your family. If now we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten how to see good in one another. Unless you try to do something beyond what you have already mastered, you will never grow. As you improve, you will find yourself more disappointed with those around you. To avoid this, be hard on yourself, but understanding of others. The size of your dreams must always exceed your current capacity to achieve them. If your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. If you can't change a situation, change your perception of it. Remember, most of your stress comes from the way you respond, not the way life is. Don't waste your time to fight with egos and small minds. Work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. Stop overthinking. You can't control everything. Just let it be. He will use you to accomplish great things on the condition that you believe much more in His love than in your weakness. When the road gets bumpy, you don't leave the car. You put the seat belt on. Overthinking the art of creating problems that were not even there. Things work out when you least expect them. Life has a funny way of surprising us when we are not looking for it. Don't let the bad days make you think you have a bad life. Never try to gain somebody's sympathy. The people who care about you will be there for you when you need them. You do not need to show them that you are their best friend. Before a new chapter is begin, the old one has to be finished. Tell yourself that what has passed will never come back. Nothing is irreplaceable. A habit is not a need. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Sometimes the hardest thing and the right thing are the same. I am not perfect, but at least I am not fake. It's not about having time, it's about making time. One of the most dangerous things you can do is believe someone's opinion about you. Never trust a person that has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. Where you are in a few months depend on what you do today.